I give 45 as a number. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45, all these are factors. You could see the output. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class, we are going to create a Python program which will have the list of factors of given number. Let us start the program with the command line. Create a list of factors of given number. Let us take the number. I say num is equal to int of input of, enter the number to get the factor. Now I need to put all the factors in the list. For that purpose, I will create a list which will be empty. Factor is equal to empty list. Now the factor will be starting from 1. Any number will be divisible by 1 and the last factor will be the number itself. So we will have to create a for loop for I in range which starts from 1 and then ends at the number. So if we want to end that at the number, we will have to give plus 1 so that it ends before that. So num which is taken from the user plus 1 semicolon. Come to the next line. Now we are going to check whether the number given by the user is divisible by I. So I is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that until the number itself. If num mod I, if there is no remainder, right, equal to 0, then number is divisible by I. So it will be a factor. What I do is I will be appending the factor list. So factor dot append of I. So every time it gets a number which is divisible, then it will put into the factor list. So at the end of this for loop, all the factors of the number will be appended to the list factor. So now we will have to print the list. Print. I give a message with this list of factors of num factor. Let us run this program. I give 45 as a number. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45, all these are factors. You could see the output. Hope this is very clear to you. In the next class, we are going to create a program which will remove all the duplicate elements of a list. If you are having any doubt regarding any program or you want any new program me to explain, please comment so that I will be doing the program or clarify your doubt. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.